buttons. So I'm going to show you how to switch them out to gold. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with removing the buttons. As you can see here, this is just really a two-piece, the back and the front, that needs to get removed. So I'm just going to use my pliers. I have a set of pliers here. They are from Amazon. I'm going to link them in the description box. I'm not sure which two exactly I need to use. So I just wanted to do one first to see how it would be to get the button off. But what I'm finding out from just doing one is once I rip this back piece off, it's pretty much easy to get the front. So let's try that again. Just be careful not to snag the fabric when ripping the button off. Alright, now I'm just going to follow those same steps for the rest of the button, just ripping the back piece off and then pulling the front. This does take some time, so just be very careful, but it does work. For some reason, the last two did give me a hard time to rip off. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with it. I did eventually get them off. Then my boyfriend came in and told me that I was holding the pliers or the snippers a little bit wrong. But I eventually got it. So just keep at it. Once you rip the back part off, it makes everything much easier. Let's get started. As you can see, I have this wooden oil cutting board because I am going to be using my hammer to put the buttons on. So I'm going to be using this set that I got from Amazon. Of course, I will link it in the description box. It comes with all sort of colors, but I am just going to be using the gold. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I need the backs. Alright, so this is pretty easy to do. I'm going to put these off to the side. You just need one off the front and one off the back. So since there's already a hole here from the button that I took off, so I'm going to push this in the back. Push it through. And then put this on top. I'm actually going to turn this on the wrong side because... Alright, so I'm going to do it from the wrong side. So moving on to this pocket, it's kind of tricky because it's not as open as doing these. So once I got the back piece in, I'm going to put the top on. I like to push it down a bit. It doesn't stay, but it kind of just holds it enough for me to hammer it down. See, it's not even holding on this one. And I'm just going to turn it on this side and also hammer here a bit on this side. Not too much because I don't want it to rip through the fabric. Just want to make sure it's sturdy enough. Alright, and then that's it, guys. That was just pretty quick and easy. I'm just going to turn it back on the right side and just show it to you guys. And that's how you switch out your buttons. You don't have to switch it out. That's kind of I just had the preference of switching it out to gold, or if you have like a broken button, this is how easy you can replace it. And that's it.